Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my world. Welcome to the commerce world for you. Welcome back to the new interesting concepts and theories from the commerce world. Friends, if you like my video, please do like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for the notification of the videos. Follow my Instagram and Facebook page. The link is given in the description box. I request you to join my lecture on online learning system. Let's start today with our audio visual presentation. I hope you all are enjoying our online process. Our topic today will be business services, and today we will be learning something about communication. So let's start. What do you mean by communication? What is communication? The people talk, the messages are exchanged, is all contributed by the word communication. Let us start. What do you mean by communication? Communication is an art of exchanging ideas, facts, information, etc. from one person or entity to another. This process of passing any information from one person to another with the help of some medium is known as communication. Communication is very simple process where message is being transferred from the sender to the receiver. The receiver, after receiving the message, understand it, decode it, and in the desired form, and then they act accordingly. In this way, communication between two people conducts. Normally, the communication are of two types: postal services and modern means of communication. Now, in business activity, communication between the sender and the receiver is very important to conduct the business activities. In traditional medium, postal services plays an important role in the communication system of the business enterprise. All the businessmen used to depend upon the postal services for their conversation, for their orders to be received by them. First one, postal services. Postal services in India come under the Department of Post and Telegraph, which is the part of Ministry of Communication and Information and Technology. This postal department, the Department of Post, with its network of 1,54,965 post offices, is the largest postal network in the world. Currently, approx 5.88 lakhs employees are working with Indian Postal Services. India has the largest postal network in the world, with 1,54,965 post office, of which 1,49,067 are in the rural area. On an average, the post office serves an area of 2.56 square kilometer and a population of 7,753. As the postal services are widely spread, they are divided into different types. For example, mail services, specialized postal services, money remittance services, and retail services. So, students, we will come across the same thing one by one. Let's start. The mail services. Mail services are further classified into groups. The first one is inland letter. Inland letter is a traditional form of letter. Communication is contained on a sheet of a paper with prescribed size and folding. In the attached clip, you can see how the inland letter looks like. Inland letter card is used for transmission or communication within India only. It is a letter format. The written portion of the inland letter is folded and sealed. Only the name and address of the receiver is visible from the outside. Inland letters ensure confidentiality of the messages. In earlier time, there were no around modern types of communication, so inland letters plays an important role in the business correspondence. The next category under the mail services are envelopes. As you all know, envelopes are seen still now, or still they are applicable. Envelopes enable to send confidential messages as well as enclosures like checks, photos, resumes, etc. Envelopes ensure safety of documents and confidentiality of the messages, as it is covered totally from outside. And the next one, parcel. Under parcel post services, parcel of specified size and weight can be sent across the country as well as outside the country. Parcels can be insured. An extra charge is to be paid for the insurance. If the insured parcel is lost in transit, the post office paid the insured amount. Hence, the parcel post services are very much in demand in the earlier traditional times. The next one is the book post. Book post, printed books, magazines, journal, newspapers, etc. can be sent through book post. Book and other printed matter can be inserted in one parcel. Book post on the face of the parcel shall be maintained. Now, book post has a specialty where the magazines or journal which are not so confidential in nature can be posted through book post. And the next category, specialized postal services. The first one under the head specialized postal services, business post. Business posts provide complete mailing solution right from the mail preparation to the mail delivery. Business posts are ideal for small businesses as well as for the large companies. Business posts are important for the business organization who need to correspond between the suppliers and the debtors and the creditors. Customer can choose from range of cost effective and professional mailing services including printing, collating, inserting, sealing and addressing to meet their specific business need. In this case, when the business need to nurture or to develop at any point of time, business board helps to improvise their services by giving specialized and personalized mailing services. India Post, Indian Postal Service, India Post has set up business post centers in major countries, specially to handle the business post consignments. All the business organization related consignments are sent by the business post. The next one, logistic post. What do you mean by logistic? Logistic means counting of things or anything which is changeable due to nature. Logistic posts provide business customer a cost effective and efficient solution which manage the entire value claim from the collection to the storage to transmission to the distribution across the country. Now, logistic department plays an important role in the business correspondence. Now, logistic post can apply to any business organization where it is cost effective and it helps to store the materials document and transmit across the country, and the distribution is also so fast. The specialized postal services, bill mail. Communication is the nature of financial statement, bills, monthly account bill, etc. may be posted by service provider to customer at least once in 90 days under the services. Now post office, including the bill mail services, post the monthly bills, may it be a telephone bill or electronic bill or any so on, electricity bill and so on. The minimum quantity of article to be posted at a time is 5000. The mail will be received at identified location provided. Bill mail shall be fully sorted pin code wise and bundled delivery post office wise. There is no credit facility. Now generally bill mails are sorted at one end and they are provided to the another location at a bundle wise or pin code wise. Once in a 90 days you can use these services so that all the articles or all the bills receivable shall be go and provided with the customer at any point of time. And the next category is money remittance services. Post office also plays an important role in collection of money and saving the money of the customers. And the services provided by the post office is known as money remittance services. Now, what is money remittance services? First one, electronic money transfer, EMO. A money order, which is usually known as money order. A money order is an order issued by the post office for the payment of sum of money to the person whose name is mentioned in the money order. It is sent through agency of post office. Now, in this type of money transfer, electronic money transfer, a person can send a money to another person via the agency of post office. A payee is the person named in money order as the person to whom the money is to be paid. The advantage of sending money to someone through the money order is that the money is delivered at the house or his place of stay. The next one, under the head money remittance service, instant money order, IMO. India Post present instant money order, IMO, the instant online money transfer services that is instant, convenient, reliable and affordable. IMO is an instant web-based money transfer service operated by the post office IMO centers in India between the two resident individual in the Indian territory. One can transfer money from rupees 1000 to rupees 50,000 from designated IMO post offices. It is a simple to send and receive money. Now, money remittance services. Next topic, international money transfer. International money transfer service scheme is a quick and easy way of transferring personal remittance from abroad to the beneficiary in India. In this case, only inward personal remittance are permissible. Likewise, the customer from the another country, foreign country, can send the money to the people in India through the postal services known as international money transfer. Department of Post, Government of India with the Western Union Financial Service, a state-of-art international money transfer service, is now available through the post office in India, which enables instantaneous remittance of money from around 195 countries and territories to India. In this way, post office services also plays an important role in money remittance services. And the next one, retail services. First one under the head retail service is the retail post. Through retail post, the department offers convenience to the general public by making third-party products and services are available in the vicinity through selected post offices. Under retail post, a range of services are offered including collection of electricity bill, collection of taxes, collection of other bills and fees for the government, etc. Means the post office offers the services known as retail post where they can collect the electricity bill and collections of taxes can be collected under the post office services. Further, under retail post office sell application form for the government exams such as UPSCs and etc. The next one, e-post, electronic post. Through e-post, electronic post, customer can send their messages to any address in India, which is a combination of electronic transmission and physical delivery through a network of more than 1,55,000 post office. Now, e-post works as e-post send messages as a soft copy through internet, and at a destination it will be delivered to the addressee in the form of hard copy. For example, if a person is giving an e soft copy through the medium of internet or through the medium of printer, then the post office will convert into the hard copy and then post it to the address where the internet facility is not available. E-post can be available by the corporate customers by having a business agreement with the Indian Post at a special e-post rates. Moreover, the business organization allocates some of the more addresses for the people for the remittance of any of the charges to be given by the business organization to the post office at a special rate known as e-post rate. These are the services which are related to the postal services. In India, postal services plays an important role in the business correspondence and adds a key hand for the business services. And business organization plays an important role by providing the communication facility as a business service facility. The next one is modern means of communication. As far as the India is developing toward the technology, there are more and more modern means of communication which enables a businessman to provide a large area or to discover a new areas under the internet facility. Modern means of communication are as follows. The first one, courier services. The post office sent the post and the parcel to another people. The same services are used by the modern means of communication, that is known as courier service. An individual or a company responsible for exchanging item between two or more parties is known as courier services. Courier services are usually employed by a company and they charge a flat rate to a party using a courier service. Courier services are different from ordinary mail services by features such as speed, security, tracking, signature, and swift delivery times. Moreover, they are much better than ordinary mail services. As a premium service, courier service is usually more expensive than the usual mail services. Some of the examples of the courier services are DHL, DTDC, UPS, and etc. And the next revolutionary, internet. The internet, interconnected network, is the global system of interconnected computer networks that uses the internet protocol suite TCP or IP to link the device worldwide. You and me are using mobile phones, laptops, and any other electronic telecommunication which are connected to internet can communicate at a greater speed through the medium of internet. It is a network that consists of private, public, academic, business, and government networks of local to the global scope, linked by a broad array of electronic, wireless, and services such as interlink hypertext documents and application of World Wide Web (WWW), electronic mails, and file sharing. However, internet can provide a speedy medium of communication between the two people and make the business organization business services rapid in their belief. And the next one is email. Email is a method of exchanging mail and a method of correspondence between people using electronic device. Email systems are based on store and forward models. Email server accept, forward, deliver and store messages. Either the user nor their computers are required to be online simultaneously. They need to connect only briefly, typically to a mail server or a webmail interface, as long as take a send to receive messages. Hence, email provide a large variety of correspond of business services as they are easily connected by the electronic devices. Thank you so much for watching.